This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pollen filter renewal. Open the glove box fully, then detach the damper from the retaining peg by depressing the tabs and sliding the damper off. Lower the glove box door past the stops. Release the retaining catches and lift off the filter housing cover. Slide the pollen filter out of the housing. Fit the new filter into the housing. Make sure that the filter is fitted the correct way up, as indicated by the arrows on the edge of the filter. Refit the cover to the pollen filter housing, then reconnect the damper strut as shown and close the glove box.